Hey, don't put my paint in the snow.
Are you videotaping on your GoPro?
Yep. How bad does yours look after the wreck? Show everybody the... Not so bad.
No crackage there.
Not so bad. You gonna fly with gloves or you can try without them?
Whoa.
Okay. Put one.
We probably got, I don't know, 15, 20 mile an hour winds with snow, as you can see. Got Scott there. A couple of wingcam. I'm going to throw his up. You can see, and I did not do that, Gene. You can see he had a broken foot. They had to put a pin on the bottom of it. Right there. So we're going to have some fun.
Yeah.
We're going to have some fun.
Yeah. Flying in the blizzard. Look, I look like a snowman already. We only brought one battery.
Want me to launch yours?
Oh, why not? Don't say that. Are you having trouble bringing it back? Bring it back home, Bob. Coming in? Okay, I'll try and land mine. Whoa! Watch out, might hit you. Huh? I don't care.
Nice landing. Just a little snow around the, just a little snow on the lens cap.
We did it. We did it. We did it. We went up. Got cameras covered with snow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're calling it a day.
Here we go.
Woo! There it is. Y'all got snow around the lens. Okay.